If you're a developer building applications with Blazor and looking to deliver enterprise-grade reporting directly inside your app, Bold Reports makes it simple, secure, and highly flexible. In this video, I'll show you how embedding works with Bold Reports. You'll see how easy it is to embed a fully interactive report into a Blazor application. Let's get started. At a high level, Bold Reports follows client-server embedding architecture. The Blazor application acts as a client, hosting the report viewer component. The Bold Reports web API service runs separately and handles report processing, data retrieval, and security. This separation provides better performance, strong security, easy scalability, and consistent reporting across applications. The client requests the report, and the server processes and returns it, making embedded reporting reliable. First, create a new Blazor server application and name the project Blazor Report Viewer. Navigate to the project's root folder. Install the required NuGet packages for the application. These include boldreports.net.core, Microsoft.data.sql client, and Microsoft.ASP.NetCore.MVC.NewtonSoft.json. These packages provide the reporting engine and data connectivity required for the report viewer. Open the project in Visual Studio Code. Next, create a resources folder inside the www root directory. This folder is used to store the RDL report file. For this demo, I'm using the salesorder-details.rdl report. Now, let's configure the web API service required by the report viewer. I create a new controller file named reportviewercontroller.cs inside the data folder. Then I add all the required namespaces and references. These namespaces allow the application to process reports, handle HTTP requests, manage resources, and improve performance using in-memory caching. Next, add the root attribute and implement the iReportController interface. This interface handles report processing and resource requests. To read reports from the application, I inject iWebHost environment, which gives access to the web report path. Next, I implement the required methods. GetResource retrieves images and report resources. initReportOptions invokes the report helper method when a report is about to be processed. onReportLoaded also invokes the report helper method when a report and its subreport start loading for rendering. Postform report action saves exported reports on the client side. Post-report action is designed to process report-related actions in the report processing pipeline. These methods allow smooth communication between the Blazor app and the Bold Reports engine. Now, I initialize the report viewer in the application. I create a Bold Report Viewer options.cs file inside the data folder and add the initialization code. This file defines basic parameters such as the report path and report service URL. Bold Reports uses JavaScript to render reporting controls. To enable this, I create a Bold Reports interop.js file inside the www root scripts folder. This file contains the JavaScript function used to render the report viewer from the Blazor component. Next, to include the required scripts and styles, I open the layout.cshtml file in the Pages folder. I add the Bold Reports CDN scripts and style sheet links, along with the Bold Reports interop.js file inside the head section. Now I open index.razor. I add the required namespaces and inject IJS runtime to invoke JavaScript functions from Blazor. Next, I create a div element that acts as a container for the report viewer. I assign the ID, report viewer, and apply inline width and height styles. Inside the code section, I create an instance of the bold report viewer options class. I set the report path to the sales order detail report. I set the report service URL, which points to the report viewer web API. I call invoke void async to render the report viewer. The onAfterRender method ensures the viewer loads after the page renders. Next, I open the program.cs file. I call app.mapControllers to enable API routing. Then I register the bold reports license token to remove validation messages. Finally, I run the application. The Blazor server app loads in the browser, and the report viewer renders the report directly inside the application. In this video, I've shown you how to embed the bold reports report viewer control into a Blazor server application using JavaScript interoperability. To learn more, visit boldreports.com. Start a 30-day free trial, or schedule a demo with an expert to see how bold reports can work best for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos on bold reports. Thanks for watching.